Beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. How are you guys doing? Please guys, I want you to check out this beautiful short natural haircut for black women. This is a hairstyle that will let your waves and coils form better and shape your features like flawless makeup. One beautiful thing about the styles today is that they will help to highlight your facial features with minimal daily styling involved. It's all feasible with this beautiful modern short natural hairstyles, having it shorter on the sides and longer on the top, which gives you that room for styling experiment, when that mood hits. The one thing about today's hairstyle is that they are hairstyle that will help you to embrace your coils much better, and it will always make your hair styling so simple, and you will love how effortless it feels. This is a style for everyone because it will always flatter your face shape, no matter the shape of your face, whether your face is oval or oblong or you have the square face. No matter the face shape, this beautiful style will really help to flatter all face shape because of the angles they create. But what cannot be stressed enough is how splendid this cut looks on all hair textures. I love this style because you can see its movability, and you can see that the haircut is a style that suits all women and is really trending in this 2025. If it's the first time here in Wendy Styles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video, and let us know your minds in the comment section below. I just want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. God bless you guys. Bye for now.